DPS Teleclass.
Assalamu alaikum dear students. Welcome to DPS Daily Class. Here your Bindu Miss is here with English lessons for grade 6 students. Before starting today's lesson, let's start with our dua.
قال رب اشرح لي صدري ويسر لي أمري واحلل عقدة من لساني يفقه قولي.
Today's learning intention. Today, we are going to read a story and answer related questions. Have a look at the success criteria. I will be successful if I am able to read the story about the ship Mary Celeste and answer the given questions based on it. Dear students, are you ready to listen to the story? It is the story about a ship named Mary Celeste. Before going to the story, let's have a discussion about the different kinds of ships. Ships are mainly classified into the following types. I think some of the ships you are also familiar with. First one is container ship, then bulk carrier, tanker ships, passenger ships, naval ships, offshore ships, and special purpose ships. And also there are so many different types of ships are there. See, it is a very beautiful picture. Okay. See, you can see beautiful pictures you can see here. But what we have to consider is the utmost care we have to give for ship safety. What is this ship safety? Ship safety covers safety on board, including the safety of crew members. You can scrutinize the conditions related to the carriage of dangerous goods, and you can get information about the measures taken in the field of occupational health on board ships. Okay. See, now you are in grade 6. I don't know what is your standard in English, but you know well about that, right? So, if you feel your English is very poor, you can't able to speak in English fluently, you feel you can't be able to read the lessons quickly and correctly, what you're going to do? What you have to do to overcome all these things? See, you're getting enough time now, right? What you have to do is read the lessons daily. First day you will not be able to read the lesson easily, but don't give up. Try another day. While reading, you will able to find out that yes, today I can read it very quickly when you compare to the previous day, right? See, today I am going to teach you a story from 6A textbook, third lesson, surprise endings. So you have to take textbook 6A and open your third lesson, page number 5050, not 15 but 5050. So you will get a week's time to read the lesson. On the 7th day, I assure you, you can read the lesson very fastly. Don't read silently, okay? You will surely get confidence while you read loudly. As I noted one day in class, when I asked some students to read the lesson, they don't have sound. Some might feel very shy. So, if you read loudly, you will be a smart reader. Okay, is that right? Fine. Now I'm going to read the lesson. So, you have to be thoroughly attentive while listening. You can read with me too. Okay? So, you have to, along with your English textbook, you have to take a pen, a pencil, and your English notebook. How many things? Yeah. What are the things? Pen, pencil, English textbook, 6A, then your English notebook. Okay. Everything is ready? Shall we start? Okay. Listen to the first para. Are you ready? Okay. Just listen. Mary Celeste, a first-rate sailing ship carrying a cargo of barrels of poisonous alcohol, was found abandoned off the Azores Islands, Portugal in 1872. What is it? Mary Celeste. Whose name is this Mary Celeste? Here we are going to read the story about a ship, Mary Celeste, which had already disappeared without any trace whatsoever. Nobody knows about the real reason behind its disappearance. Okay, so now we are going to learn about Mary Celeste, a ship that disappeared without any trace whatsoever. Okay. Mary Celeste, a first-rate sailing ship carrying cargo of barrels. This ship was carrying a cargo of barrels of poisonous alcohol, was found abandoned off the Azores Islands. Which islands? Azores Islands in Portugal in 1872. In which year? 1872. The cargo was all there. It was later found that 9 barrels were missing along with the ship's boat. See, 9 barrels of this poisonous alcohol were missing along with the ship's boat. The belongings of the captain. You know who was the captain of the ship? No. The name of the captain, he was Captain Benjamin Briggs. The belongings of the captain, Benjamin Briggs, and the crew. Crew means and the people in the ship, the staff in the ship, the team of members, that is known as the crew, were not damaged. The last entry in the ship's book was dated just 10 days earlier. The ship was on a trip from New York in the USA to Genoa in Italy. See? Where was the ship headed? Where was the ship headed? It was headed from New York in the USA to it was on a trip from New York in the USA to Genoa in Italy. It had enough supplies of food and other necessities and was considered perfectly seaworthy. It contains all the necessary things, food, water, everything. Okay. Have you ever seen a ship? I think you are very much familiar too. Okay. So, Just imagine about a ship, a huge ship contains a lot of members, lot of passengers. It had enough supplies of food and other necessities and was considered perfectly seaworthy. What could have happened to the crew? What could have happened to the crew? See, can you see the image of a ship in your textbook? Just look at there. What happened to the captain and others on board? What happened to the captain and others on the ship? Why was the ship abandoned? The ship was all along in a wrecked position. No members were on the ship. Why they abandoned the ship? What was the real reason behind this? Do you know? Can you imagine? Did the crew leave a perfectly good vessel and run away? Is there any possibility? Did they leave a perfectly good vessel and run away? What is your opinion? Yeah, from this paragraph, we are able to know about the name of the ship. What was the name of the ship? Its name was, her name was Mary Celeste. Okay, where it was found abandoned? It was found abandoned off the Azores Islands, Portugal in which year? Tell me. In the year 1872. What does it contain? Yeah, it was carrying a cargo of barrels of poisonous alcohol, you can say that. Okay. Now, tell me where it was, now the ship was on a trip. From which place? From New York in the USA to Genoa in Italy. Okay, from New York to Genoa. Is that right? Okay, understand? Can we switch on to the next paragraph? Okay. Second paragraph. Have a look. Captain Benjamin Briggs took command of the Mary Celeste on her first voyage after it changed hands 17 times. It changed hands? How many times? 17 times. Was the captain there? The captain of Mary Celeste was Captain Benjamin Briggs. His wife and daughter accompanied him on the journey, while his son remained at home with his grandmother. He accompanied with, he was with his wife and daughter. They accompanied him on the journey. Briggs was an experienced sailor. He chose his crew with care, picking up only the best. He wrote to his mother, telling her about the good condition of the ship. This is all about paragraph 2. Now from this paragraph, you will be able to know the name of captain of Mary Celeste, the ship. Who was the captain? His name was Captain Benjamin Briggs. Who accompanied him on the journey? His wife and his son. His wife and his daughter. Okay. His son remains at home with his grandmother. Now, any doubt? Okay. Look at the third paragraph. Mary Celeste was spotted drifting between the Azores and Portugal by Captain David Morehouse and the crew of another ship called De Gracia. See what happened to her ship? Mary Celeste was spotted drifting between the Azores and Portugal by Captain David Morehouse and the crew of another ship called De Gracia. See, our ship was all alone and it was spotted by Captain David Morehouse and the crew of another ship called the Gracia. Nobody was in the ship. A few sailors boarded Mary Celeste and were taken aback to see that the ship was abandoned. A few sailors from De Gracia boarded Mary Celeste and were taken aback to see that the ship was abandoned. They thought that the ship was abandoned and all the crew members, they, I think something happened to the crew members of the ship. Look at the continuation paragraph of paragraph 3. Not a soul was in sight. Not a single member was in sight. Nobody was in sight in the ship. Everything about it was intact except parts of the topsail. See, the ship's logbook and some other papers were missing from the captain's cabin, and the compass was destroyed. Compass was there in the ship, and some papers were missing from captain's cabin, and apart from this, there was nothing amiss. Apart from this, nothing was amiss. Means everything was there in the position. There was about 6 months' provisions in the storeroom and plenty of drinking water. They had 6 months' provisions, means they had enough food and water in the ship. Okay, when these sailors they watched the ship, this was the condition of the ship. Nobody was there in the ship. See, they don't know what happened to the ship. It seemed that Captain Briggs, he was the captain. Briggs, Captain Briggs, his family and crew left Mary Celeste in a great hurry. It seemed that Captain Briggs, his family and crew left Mary Celeste in a great hurry. The burning question is why? Why they left the ship? What was the reason behind that? Can you imagine? Can you tell me? We can just discuss about that. Maybe they took something, some items, some barrels from the ship and they were gone to different place. Otherwise, what happened? Otherwise, the ship cracked and all the sailors, including all the crew members and the captain, died in the sea. Can you imagine that? These are the possibilities. Okay, fine. Look at the fourth paragraph. Several theories and reasons have been offered to justify the vanishing of the ship's crew into thin air. We don't know what actually happened to the crew members of the ship. Okay, so several theories and reasons have been offered to justify the vanishing of the ship's crew into thin air. Theories are aplenty, like the one about the sea cracks making the ship roll violently, resulting in a watery grave for the crew of the ship. The likelihood of an attack from sea monsters or aliens has also been considered. See, this is also another case. They may be attacked by sea monsters or aliens. Yet others propose the possibility of sighting an iceberg. Have you ever seen an iceberg? Iceberg, I think you watched English films and you are able to imagine an iceberg. An explosion or the danger of being stuck in the sand that made the crew abandon the ship. See, all these are the possibilities. Okay, we can just imagine that all these are the possibilities why they abandoned this ship. We don't know the actual reason behind this. Am I right? Okay. The last paragraph. No, not the last paragraph. See, not to forget the fearsome pirates who could have taken over the ship and killed everyone on board. Okay, not to forget the fearsome pirates who could have taken over the ship and killed everyone on board. Pirates are here also, are now this time also. Okay, they attacked. They will try to attack the ship, and they may killed everyone on board. This is also an imagination. Okay. Okay, now it's paragraph 5. Look at that. Since the disappearance of Mary Celeste and her crew, several documentaries and movies have been made. Books have been written and monuments have been raised about Mary Celeste. Maldives and Gibraltar have even issued postage stamps commemorating the ship. In commemoration of the ship, our country, Maldives and Gibraltar, have even issued postage stamps. Today, the wreck of the ship remains somewhere at the bottom of the sea off the coast of Haiti. A mystery still waiting to be solved. See, where we can see the remains of the ship. We can see the remains of the ship somewhere at the bottom of the sea off the coast of Haiti. Off the coast of Haiti. Okay. Is that clear to you? Okay, now what you have to do is you have to read this story. It's a very interesting story. Am I right? Yeah, it's really an interesting story about the mystery of a ship. What was the name of the ship? The name of the ship was Mary Celeste. And who was the captain of the ship? Tell me. Captain of the ship was Benjamin Briggs. Okay. Is that right? Fine. Now, what we are going to do is just turn this page. Look at page number 52. Some questions are there. Okay. We can go through the questions. What you have to do is you have to fill the answers on your textbook and take a photo and Viber me. Clear? This is a homework for you. Yes, students, how was the story? I think you enjoyed the story a lot. Okay. Now we can go through the hard words and its meanings. First, cargo. Freight carried by a ship. Freight. Goods or items in a transport. Barrel. A solid drum. Voyage. A long journey. Logbook. A book in which events are recorded. Provision. An item of goods of supplies, especially food, obtained for future use. Commemorate. To honor the memory of someone with a ceremony. Freight. Narrow. Next word, deafening, very loud. Despairing, hopeless. Deceive, mislead. Gasp, sudden intake of breath. Agony, deep pain. Okay, is that clear for you? Fine. Dear students, now it is the time to evaluate. Get ready for that. Okay? We have 3 tasks. First task is on page number 52, 6A textbook. Okay? So, go through page number 52. Are you ready? Yes. Choose the right answer to fill in the blanks. A. The abandoned ship Mary Celeste was found near Dash. 4 options are there. You have to tick one option. Okay. Spain, Maldives, Gibraltar, Portugal. You have to tick and you have to write on the blanks. Okay. Not only you have to tick, but you have to write on the blanks. Okay. The ship was carrying a cargo of dash, guns, alcohol, wine, barrels. Next, the ship had already changed hands about dash times already. 15, 16, 17, 18. Next, it was Captain Dash who discovered the drifting ship. First one, Celeste, then De Gracia, then Briggs, then Morehouse. Next question. The remains of the ship now lie in the waters near Dash, Haiti, Genoa, Maldives, Gibraltar. Okay, you have to tick the right answer and write on the blank. And you have to take a photo of this page and Viber me along with the other two tasks. Okay. Task number 2. Answer the following questions. Okay, you have to answer these questions in your notebook. 1. State the family member who accompanied Captain Briggs on his voyage. Second question. Where was the ship headed? Third question. What was the ship carrying? Fourth and the last question. What in your opinion could have happened to the ship? So what you have to do? You have to answer these questions in your English notebook and Viber me. Okay? The last task, task 3, is very much interesting to you because I know you are good drawing masters. Draw a ship in a chart paper and make it colorful. Okay? This also do it very beautifully you have to do, and what you have to do is take the photo and Viber me. All these 3 works you can do it together and send me together. Okay, don't do one and then send me and after one day send another thing. No, task 1, task 2, task 3, finish it. Okay, and send to me the same time. Have a look at the success criteria. I will be successful if I am able to read the story about the ship Mary Celeste and answer the given questions based on it.
Okay, now you know about the story. Is that right? Okay, 3 tasks are there. First task is the fill in the blank session. Second task, the answer the following. And the third task is, see, you have to draw a ship, color it very beautifully, take a snap and Viber me. Okay, is that right? And one important thing is for you, an advice from my side: stay safe, stay home, be happy always. Thank you.
EPS Teleclass